Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to check your internet speed or ISP information directly in Google Chrome using an extension. So you don't need to manually go to websites and check your internet speed. There is this extension that you can install. The extension name is Speed Test, and once you install this, the icon will appear directly, and you can, with a single click, you can check the internet speed directly. So once it get installed, we need to just activate this extension. So the icon will appear like this. So as you can see right here, this icon is appearing. So at any moment of time, if you do want to check the internet speed, you click on that icon and you have the start button. You click on start and then it will do the testing part for you. So first of all, it will check the download speed followed by the upload speed, and then it gives you the entire information related to the internet connection such as ping, everything. So you can see that download is 37, and then it will now check the upload speed. So you can be on any website. You simply click on the tab of the extension and simply click on and then click on start. So you will see the test is completed. You can check the results. So it's very simple. You can also share it on Facebook, Twitter, email address as well. So this is, if you visit any website as well, then also you simply need to click on this at any time and this window will open. So you can do this unlimited number of times. There is no restriction. So this will save you a lot of time because you don't need to go to websites. Instead, you can install this extension to actually check your internet connection speed and everything related to how it's performing. So